Ready or not, it's bunny time. Yes, I love making bunnies and I hope you do too. So let's get started. For this bunny, I have decided I wanted to make a sitting armature. Now, the size is going to vary. I'm making this bunny particularly, well, sort of large. I like to make very robust armatures for most of my felts. You will see later in the video just how huge this bunny is going to be. But of course, your bunny can be whatever size you would like for your bunny to be. You don't have to follow my giant footsteps, okay? This is creating the head shape and part of the neck. Because I knew I was going to make this bunny a little bit larger than usual, I decided to add extra neck, okay, but also to reinforce that back area, his spine, so to speak, for it to be stronger. So that extra little bit there is totally optional and totally up to you. Don't forget to clip off the little sharp bits that are left over. And that floral tape is truly an armature's best friend. For this bunny, we are doing simple paws and simple feet. As you know, there are no rules, and you can have your bunny have hands or fingers, and I do have a previous video that you can go look at if you need to see how hands are made. I'm sorry, I am so craving spring and bunnies. I just had to throw this in there. We have moved on to filling out and wrapping the armature. I truly do not create an extreme bulky look when I am wrapping the armature. The reason for that is because I will be using a shingling technique to attach the fur. Creating that triangle shape right there will help create the nose. And also for the bottom of the mouth, the muzzle. Starting to plump out those cheeks. And don't forget to fill out the rest of the head. This would be the top of the head. So yeah, you got to think and move around and create the shapes of the head shape. Don't forget the other parts of the head. My techniques as a felter is I like to add a little by little and go small to big. So you will often see me repeat steps over and over again until I get the size or the shape or the desired look that I want. Oh, this bunny looks a little bit on the scrawny side, but oh, just you wait. Just you wait. So here I am prepping fiber. I use a Romney and Caracal mix. That's usually what I use for almost all things when it comes to hair or fur. I am not using the shingling technique yet, but I will soon, and I'll do a slow motion close up view so you can get a good look at it. Adding some darker fiber to start defining some features. Doesn't this whole process just breathe a fresh breath, like relaxation? I don't know, but this project particularly is really just soothing and relaxing. I don't know, maybe it's just because it's felting. Felting has that effect. For those that are new to needle felting and you think that you're doing something wrong and your project looks absurd, no worries. They always go through this crazy, not what you want look before they do. Okay, here is that close up of the shingling technique. As you can see, I am felting in the middle of the staple of fiber. Just really tacking it in there, right down the center of that fiber piece. And then I brush the fiber back, and right on that same area where I was felting, I felt again. It's just to reinforce and to lock in that fiber as best as you can. I will use the shingling technique to basically cover the whole bunny for the rest of the project. See, I told you they look a little crazy. And this, yeah, crazy. So don't fret, just keep on going. You'll fix the crazy, I promise. And here's another peek at shingling again. Preparing more fiber to create the giant bunny. Oh goody, it's time to make the ears. Oops, I actually told you a fib. I told you earlier that I will be using the shingling technique for the rest of creating this bunny. But no, on the ears and like the paws and the feet area, I actually just lay down the fiber and felt it smooth. Adding some shading to those ears, I used chalk pastels. Time to make some toe beans. I know sometimes working with fiddly little parts is a little frustrating, but just take your time. Don't worry, you'll get it there. I told y'all. I'm sorry, I'm so tickled. Yeah, he turned. It's a giant bunny. Uh, yeah, the bunny's gonna get a haircut, so no worries. We're gonna get it all together. I think. You know, if you can't laugh at your own work sometimes, then maybe perhaps you're not enjoying the whole experience. So I cut off quite a bit, but no worries. I saved these extra bits for like stuffing or for other things. They will get used. Oh my goodness gracious. Do not forget the tail. Yes, the bunny needs a tail. Don't forget it. Oh, great news. This bun is starting to come together. We're going to have a sleepy eyed look and using chalk pastels and things to define some features and just put the bunny all together. This bunny or rabbit, if you will, uh, really gives me that vintage vibe. I don't know, like very old rustic. I don't know, but I kind of like that sort of thing, as many of y'all might know. That's kind of like my thing. I love that look. I really do like using the sleepy eyed look. It gives me a break from creating a whole eye. Sometimes making eyes are kind of hard, particularly for me now, since my eyes are not as good as they used to be. Of course, this giant bunny, even though we cut off a lot of hair, this bunny is still giant, like I said, nearly 20 inches. And I could manage the eyes on this particular one. But I love the shut eyed look. I really do. I like it. These particular ribbons of sorts are sari silk, and they have that muted pastel purpley pink and stuff. I just like it. It kind of ties in the vintage look as well. You know, I'm really on the fence on whether to keep the glasses or ditch the glasses. What do you all think? I like it both ways. I mean, honestly, I can say that much. But yeah, I like it both ways. So here is our giant bunny, totally complete, and just a simple ribbon. Just simple little touches, simple little details can sometimes make a big finish. I do hope that you enjoy creating bunnies as much as I have. I have enjoyed this time with you. And for anyone who needs to learn how to make hands, maybe I will actually add that video at the end of this video. And for those that are still watching, I hope that you would subscribe. And please, I love hearing from you all. Just leave a comment and let me know what you think about this bunny or any of your upcoming projects. Thank you, and until next time.